Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be talking about a big mistake when it comes to storing wood. This is kind of some people do it, but it is a big no-no in the woodworking world. That is storing lumber on the ground. Storing lumber on the ground is not a good idea, just because it's not even okay to store it on concrete. Actually, it's not a good idea because lumber has all these little grains, and lumber is like a sponge, and it will soak up the moisture whenever there's any moisture on the ground, or and whatnot, and moisture in the dirt, all that. It will soak up. Then it will expand when it soaks all this water up and moisture, because it has more stuff in it, like water, more stuff, and then when it expands, once you dries up, it will crack. That will cause it to crack. So that's the big thing, is it will ruin your lumber if you do store the lumber on the ground, just because the expanding and fast contracting will make it crack. So, and when stuff is stored directly on the ground, it can't air out as well either, and that's a big thing. So instead, this is what you should do. You should put scrap boards underneath, like just stuff you have laying around, mostly like 1x4s, 1x1s, even, just stuff around, just stuff that you don't care about, just to throw under there, just so that then your wood will be protected and it will be more safe. But another thing that works great when storing your lumber on the ground is putting a pallet underneath. Pallets is what I typically use, because you can move them around super easy and extend something super easy, and they're hard, like they're kind of together more, so they're level and stuff like that, and one flat surface. So it makes it easier to stack and not have it tip over if it gets super high or whatever, So, yeah, thanks for watching. Remember, big mistake if you store lumber directly on the ground. Instead, put a pallet or put scrap boards underneath, and that will ensure that your wood lasts longer and is nicer when you go to use it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.